你好, welcome to my channel. I'm Yao. My first language is Mandarin Chinese. I'll show you how to write color-related characters in traditional Chinese in the next 6 videos. Start with red and orange. 红, 橙. They have more strokes and might be complicated to write. No worries, I'll provide step-by-step instructions and also character decompositions. Okay, without further ado, let's grab your pen and practice writing with me. Before I start to write, I would like to share with you the number of strokes for the most frequently used characters. The average is around 8 to 9 strokes, and I'll make it as 3 stars. If there are not many strokes, it's 1 star. On the contrary, if it's complicated, 5 stars. I'll show the ones with more than 3 stars twice. 红 means red. The left part is the radical, 蜜, and it's silk. We dye silk in red. 蜜 is one of the essential radical. We'll see it often in our future journey of writing Chinese. The right part is 工. There are many meanings, such as work, labor, a tool, a ruler, and a carrying pole. I recommend you memorize work, labor, and a tool because we use them often. 工 is the phonetic of 红. Chen means orange, which applies to color and the fruit. The left part is the radical, 木. It's a tree or wood. As we know, oranges grow on the trees. The right part is 登. It means to rise, ascend, or climb, relating to going up. You may divide 登 into the upper part, 波, and the lower part, 豆. 波 means footsteps or legs. Footsteps relate to 登. 豆 is beans in general. It can also be a ritual vessel we use in ancient times. It's the end of this week. Do you enjoy it? Since the characters are more complicated, I only introduce you 2 each week. Let's check them again. They are 红, 橙. I'll show you yellow and green in the following video. If you find my videos are informative, welcome to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye bye.